Good morning, friends. I am Dixon Vinny. Today, I am discussing about the destination branding. Branding is the most powerful weapon used in marketing. We can brand a product, we can brand a service, we can brand a person, we can brand a place, and so on. Today, we are discussing about the different aspects of destination branding. Today, I am discussing about branding destination, and there are five phases of destination branding. Then destination brand benefits and challenges faced by the destination branding. What is destination branding? Destination branding is the process of developing a unique identity or personality for a tourist destination and communicating the same to visitors using a name, a tagline, a symbol, a design, or a combination of thus to create a positive image. Destination branding means we are developing a unique identity or developing a personality for a tourist destination, and it used to communicating the visitors or the tourists with using a name or tagline or a symbol to encourage them to visit that place. Then place competitive identity. A destination brand is the place competitive identity. It makes the destination distinctive and differentiate it from all other destinations. Durable sense or core characteristics of the destination. A destination brand refers to the durable essence or a core characteristics of the destination which comprise its personality and make it distinctive from all other competitors. A dynamic relationship between the destination. A destination brand is a dynamic relationship between the destination and how it is perceived by the potential customers and the visitors. 100% pure Newsland. It is the best example for the destination branding. This brand have the worth around 13.6 million US dollar, and it have ranked in 21st position in world rank, and it is just behind the Samsung and ahead of Dell. It enabled to compete with like a brand like Samsung and Dell. These are some top brands in destination. 100% pure New Zealand, Incredible India, Tourism Australia, and all. In a nutshell, destination branding is about creating a sense of place and telling a story. It is about creating a identity for a destination, and it is giving it can give an image to the outsiders. Means it's give a identity to a place to a outsider like tourists or visitors, etc. Five phases of destination branding. There are five stages or five phases for destination branding. Phase 1: market investigation, analysis, and strategic recommendation. In the first stage of brand building process is to ascertain the basic core values of the destination. And also, brand is made keeping in view the basic core values of the destination, which should be durable, relevant, and communicable for the potential tourists. In the first stage, it seems that how relevant that brand is according to the present tourist customers or the competitors. Phase 2: brand identity development. Developing a brand identity. It is in this phase developing a unique identity for each destination or identifying the key characteristics of the destination or identifying the key elements that can be differentiate the destination from others. Phase 3: brand launch and introduction. This is communication stage. It is communicating the vision. It is the process of communicating our vision to the tourists. The unique identity of a place or a destination have to be communicate to the visitors or the tourists through any kind of symbols, tagline, and all. It is a communicating our vision to the outsiders. Phase 4: Brand implementation. It is the implementation stage of our brand. Here we are implementing our brand to a new market. Phase 5, monitoring, evaluation and review. After the implementation of our brand, we have to monitor regularly and evaluate our brand on the basis of how the effectiveness of our brand and the efficiency of our brand and other and all. Destination brand benefit period. The benefit of destination branding can be classified into five levels: attribute, rational benefit, emotional benefit, brand value, brand essence. Attributes. What are the tangible, verifiable, objective, measurable characteristics of a destination? In this phase tells that what what do investors like to see and do in the country. This phase is actually telling about the rational benefit. So brand pyramid starts with the rational benefit, which are country's main tourist asset. Rational benefit. What benefit do the visitors result from the destination's features? This level tells that how a destination different from other destinations. The destination's brand personality is then established following a competitor analysis to identify what is truly unique about the destination. They reflect how the destination would like to see by its key target segment. Emotional benefit. What emotional benefit and psychological rewards do visitors get from the destination? This phase tells that how visitors feel about the place. The brand is then built by exploring investors' motivation to travel. Through consumer research, consumers' perception and their motivation for travel are found and deep at the psychological level. Brand value. What does value mean to a typical repeat visitor? Through consumer research, it is found that what particular benefit consumers associated with the destination. One is one it is known that what benefit consumers are looking for it is this destination. Then it is become relatively easier for the brand manager to put those values in a destination to get more repeated visitors. Brand essence. What is the essential nature and characteristics of a brand? This stage tells about the nature and characteristics of the brand, which means the brand essence. Brand essence is the true characteristics of the brand. 100% pure Newsline. It is the best example for the destination branding. This brand have the worth around 13.6 million US dollar, and it have ranked in 21st position in world rank, and it is just behind the Samsung and ahead of that. It enabled to compete with like a brand like Samsung and Dell. Thank you for watching my presentation. Have a nice day.